Welcome to McMade Simple. Today we will be doing friction force example 3. So there is a structure here, a table here on which two roller supports are there. Three masses M1, M2 and M3 are connected by a string over these rollers as shown here. So we have to find, we are given with acceleration is equals to 2 meter per second square in this direction. And we have to find what is the new k, that is coefficient of kinetic friction value, that we have to find out. First we will make the free body diagram. So this will go down as m1g, this will go down as m3g, and there will be a friction force here ffr, and there is a downward force m2g and an upward force n. Now we know that F net is equals to m total into acceleration, and frictional force is equals to n times nu k, that will be m2g nu k. Now acceleration is equals to, if we take acceleration on one side, acceleration will be F aiding. F net I have broken down into two, F aiding minus F opposing, as we had done earlier also in earlier videos. M total mt by mt. Now F aiding is equals to m1g minus m3g, m3g is here, minus m2g nu k, this is the frictional value, divided by the total mass, that is m1 plus m2 plus m3, that is it, done here. Now we know the values, all the values, just that we don't know nu k. So we will isolate nu k. So I have taken this m1, m2, m3 on one side. A is equals to m1 plus m2 plus m3 equals m1g minus m3g minus m2g nu k. Now nu k value, nu k I have to isolate, so I have done nu k is equals to a m1 plus m2, this whole term, minus m1g plus m3g plus m3g divided by minus m2g minus m2g. Now we have put the values at acceleration A is equal to 2, m1 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11. 11 is here. Then we have m1 is equals to 5 and g is 9.8 and m3g 2 times 9.8 divided by m2 minus 4 times 9.8, and this if we calculate, we will get nu k is equals to 0.189. Now this value nu k is not negative, so we know that the acceleration is indeed in this direction, and we also know that nu k is between 0 and 1, so this is a correct value. If it would have been greater than 1, then it would be a concern for us, because nu k value is not cannot be greater than 1. So this nuclear value that we have got 0.189 is indeed true. So that was all for today. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it among your friends. Thank you.